It's a box.
It sure is.
Oh, look, it's a 3D printed Majora's Mask.
It's not like you can wear it or anything. You can take it.
Giant, though.
Yeah.
That's amazing. That's not what we're here for, but it's props.
Hello.
Hello, Fresh. So,
No.
let's open this. What do you think? This is the box we've got. Why are we opening this on Talking Props? You guys are from Nerdy Traveler. You're on the wrong channel.
But you're
Goodbye.
I'm multi.
Oh, it's because of the bubble wrap. That's all.
Bubble wrap.
What, Warren?
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Holy
Ooh, Mr. Mustachio Man.
moly!
Batman.
That's
This
kind of
is
cool.
redonkulously big. Okay,
Batman.
whoa! Where's Ellis for size? There's Ellis for size.
Say,
Dude.
this is Shakespearean
Batman.
bust.
Oh, that was super loud.
More.
And it's super stable. Okay. Can you pull that out?
Maybe?
Yeah, let's turn it upside down.
What is
Oh, yeah, you got it. Oh, wow, look. Do you know what this is?
Shakespearean bust.
It is a Shakespearean bust. Oh, that's some sketchy packaging. Whoa! That's really not easy to see. Let's see if we can open this bad boy up. Whoa, that is giant. Alright, so far, if you're following along at home, we have the new, I believe this is from, who is this from? But it's from, I forget who we bought this from. So I bought this a million years ago. DC?
Just got here?
I want to say it was, I don't even remember where we got this thing.
Batman.
That's the great thing about pre-ordering stuff, is you just don't, you get surprise stuff in the mail. So this is the hidden door, the secret door to the Bat Cave in the original classic TV series. Yeah, there it is.
What is the button gonna actually do when I hit it?
I don't know, but let's pull this out. Here, pull the box.
Ow!
Whoa, craziest unboxing ever. Oh my god, can we please stop?
I'm just fucking stuff.
More tape. Lots of tape.
Yay. It's not yay.
Shake guy spirit.
Oops. More tape. More tape. Here, hold this.
Okay.
Get the tape. 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 More tape. Okay. So this is a replica. Whoa.
You popped his head off!
I popped his head. Let's see this thing. This is a replica of the bank. Or no, sorry. Let me rephrase that. This is a replica of the Shakespeare bust that opened the door to the bat
Its head is so shiny.
holes that took you to the Bat Cave in the original Batman TV series. So when you open this up,
His
and
head
you
broke.
flip this little switch, and it took you to the bat hole. Or push this button. But this is actually a bank.
Oh.
It's vinyl. I have another bank that is the idol from Indiana Jones. But so I thought it was kind of cool, and I'm pretty amazed with this. I think it was like $70, and it's giant. I was thinking it would be small, but that's pretty giant. Look, there's at least for size. Whoa! Well, there you go. So
I'm bigger than it.
the it's not Sideshow. It's somebody else collectible. I'll have to be better prepared for these, but pretty cool. It's hollow.
Check
vinyl.
it down in the description. Somebody else collectibles.
Yeah, somebody else collectibles. And you open it up, and there's the switch. And this turns all the way around, I believe. That's not really a switch.
Where do we get the money out?
You get the money out. Very good question. Keep it on the bottom, right? Probably gonna break them
I'm
here.
sure his head doesn't fall off.
Get the money out right there. Just like a little,
Neat.
piggy bank.
Open his head.
This part's plastic.
I'm gonna kill
This
you.
is vinyl. This is vinyl. That's vinyl. This is plastic in here. Oh,
And you
it's
can break his head.
completely hollow. I was thinking we would make the switch for the theater door in there, but that's super cool. But really detailed, and it says it's sculpted by the guy who sculpted the one for the show or something. Let's see. Get the back of the box. Read it. We'll read it. All right. Look at this. Shakespeare Battle Box. Quick to the bat poles. Sculpted by Paul Harding. Real working coin slot.
Of course it's
That's
real
amazing.
work.
All right. Well, pretty happy about that. So, original TV's classic Shakespeare bust. Does it say how tall it is? It's
Hollow
20 inch.
eyeballs.
It's 20 inches. 20 inches tall. Very good. Pretty happy with that. All right.
Yeah.